What's up, fellow Cremains? Here's how you can get the Counterweight Leather Gloves in Crimson Desert. These gloves are something you might want to add to your leather armor collection. They provide 17 points in attack, 4 points in defense, and a level 1 lightning resistance. It's got 2 vacant abyss gear slots for you to freely modify. These are found southeast of the town of Hernand and the Greymane camp, in a place called the Sanctum of Temperance. If we zoom in, it's directly south of the Unicorn Cliff and the Nass River label. Go there and start from the cliff that's north of the ruins. It saves you time of navigating the ruins if you begin there. Next, make your way to the top of that tower with any means possible. When you reach the top of the tower, stand on its southern edge. Look down below and you'll find a balcony. Just jump down that balcony and you'll find a doorway. In case it's closed, there's a lantern to its left you can light up to open it. Once it's open, just go inside and you'll find a chest. Loot it, and the gloves are all yours. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.